Ni kurumirira mbica iria cieriga kurekererio cia maabithaa ugitiri makihura arutwo a University ya Nairobi hindi ya mururungano kuria riu Minister Fred Matiang'i arutite mukana uyu. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro cukuru-ini wa secondary wa Kibirigo kaunti-ini ya Nyamira, Matiang'i augite ari na mwihoko na maabithaa a borithi o undu mena ruhonge rwa uturia rwa IPOA.
I trust the police department. I know everybody has been asking me. They want me to go into the matter. I know that IPOA has pronounced itself. The Independent Police Oversight Authority is going to look into the issue. The police is conducting its own investigation on the issue. I will get a report tomorrow. The Inspector General has confirmed that we will get a report tomorrow on the matter.
Oho Matiang'i ni ugite wona anyita riboti nginyaniru egie ciiko iria ciatabanio ni maabithaa acio nimekuoerwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
I want everyone to know that the government believes in the rule of law. Our president has pronounced himself more than once about our commitment to the rule of law in the country.
Ikundi mwanya mwanya ni ikoretwo ikimenereria giko kiu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.